Hi my beauties, it's your girl Kobe here and I am busy with another makeup video today. It's gonna be kind of sort of like another get ready with me because I have somewhere to be today. You know, I want to look spicy and caliente for that, and you know, just chit chat with you guys because I'm finally feeling better. You know, I still got a little bit of the sniffles, but I'm starting to feel like myself again. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I'm trying to see what you waiting on. Go ahead and make that happen because you know you're gonna come back. And I hope I make you laugh just a little bit. Like, comment, share this video. Tell all your friends about me. Tell them to come over and join the party because it's going to be a good time. Without any further ado, let's get right along to that video. I haven't moisturized. I haven't done any of that to my face. So we're going to get right into that right now. For moisturizer today, I'm using my Clinique moisturizing gel. And I'm gonna follow that with my Pericone sunscreen. I have to put these on no matter what I'm doing my makeup for. If I know that I'm going outside, I have to put that sunscreen on because although, you know, I got a little melanin going on in here, I still gotta protect that. Okay, so I have primer on, I've moisturized, and I have my sunscreen on. Next, I'm gonna go into the brows. And once again, I'm not switching that up either. Okay, my beauties, I am back and I have my brows on and I actually haven't cleaned them up or anything. I wanted to do that on camera for y'all. This is my primer, y'all, this white stuff here. That's my Becca primer, so don't try to come for me saying like, "Ew, what's that white stuff on your face?" It's makeup, it's primer. Get over it. Don't know what look I'm gonna do because I didn't sit down and plan this out. I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. But I'm gonna be using the Deuce palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm also gonna be using the Holy Grail palette by Violet Voss. I went ahead and put on some eyeliner, and I just used my Wet n Wild, what is this? Yeah, my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Go ahead and put on my contour color, which is my Fenty Beauty matte match stick in the color Truffle. Alrighty, so right after we have that contour put on, I'm gonna go in with my skin tone concealer first. This is my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. So for foundation today, I'm going in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the color Tobacco. right, so we have the foundation blended out. For a highlighting concealer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the color Honey. Honey. It's in Honey, Honey. So we have foundation on, our skin tone concealer, highlighted concealer, contour. What else am I leaving out? Yeah, we've done all that. We've blended that all in. I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder today to set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna let that sit for just a hot second. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I'm gonna use these two colors here, top two colors. Also, you guys, Happy New Year. Oh my God, I can't believe that it's 2019. Like, can y'all? It's crazy. I hope y'all had a great holiday though. I hope it was full of fun and laughter and just good times with your family. And if you wasn't able to be with your family, I hope you had a great holiday with loved ones. Here I'm just doing a contour of the nose. It's a quick powder contour. I've let this powder on my face sit long enough. After that, we're gonna get into my favorite part, y'all, which is highlighter. I'm going in with my Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter. This is in the color Stunner. So I'm gonna top that with my favorite powder highlight right now. It is the MAC Iridescent Loose Highlighting Powder. And this is in the color, this is in the color Golden Bronze. Jeez, y'all saw how how intense it was? You may need a pair of shades because this glow is blinding, okay? It's blinding. So for blush today, I'm really switching it up a bit. I would typically use my Anastasia Trio blush, but today I'm gonna go in with my Note blush. This is in the color Desert Rose, and y'all, it looks so good on the skin. Next, it's time for them lashes. combo is Feeling Myself and just a maroon like lip liner that I have. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you for clicking on my video and just staying with me throughout the whole thing. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I post something new. You don't have to wait to let somebody else let you know. I can let you know. YouTube can let you know. So go ahead and make that happen. So until next time, you guys, remember, self-love is the best love and makeup is life. Peace.